Greetings to all. Myself Vaishnavi, Assistant Professor IT Department from SNS College of Technology. Now we are going to see about the cloud software environment in cloud computing and its applications. The first one will be the cloud computing architecture. We have that front end as a client infrastructure, and then intermediate will be the internet. The next one will be that back end. In back end, we have management application, runtime cloud storage infrastructure and security. Introduction. The cloud software environment is a platform for developing and running the application. It provides the tools, frameworks, and services. It eliminates need for physical infrastructure, and it is widely used in the IT industries. The problem statement. In the real world companies, the developers face the environment mismatch issues, high cost for the hardware and maintenance, security and the data management challenges. So we go with the solution of the empathize. Five stages. First one will be the empathize. Here the development needs to fast and the simple environment. Second one will be the define stage. Here we have the setup, scaling and maintenance are the complex. And then ideate stage. Here we use the cloud software platforms. Fourth one will be the prototype. Here we have the deploy application using the cloud tools like IDE plus hosting. Fifth stage will be the testing. Here we have monitor, update and scale automatically. Next one is the cloud software. It is a collection of software tools in cloud, and it includes the operating system, middleware, runtime. It is accessible via the internet. Second one, the types of cloud environments. Here we have the three types of cloud environments. First one will be the public cloud, private cloud, and then hybrid cloud. Public cloud, that is a shared resources. Public cloud, that is a example for the public cloud will be that Amazon Web Services, GitLab, Dropbox, that comes under the public cloud. Second one will be the private cloud, that is secure and it is dedicated. The example for the private cloud will be the institution servers and then storage devices and then ERP portals. Third one will be the hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a combination of both the public cloud and the private cloud. The example will be the firewall, traffic, and then cloud service model. Here we have three main service models, that is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and then software as a service. Infrastructure as a service, it is manages the infrastructures. Example EC2 S3, and that it will be the virtual machine and the storage devices. Second one will be the platform as a services. Here they develop the platforms, and that is manages the development platform. Example will be the elastic paint stack. And then third one will be the software as a services. It is ready to use the applications. Next one, core components. The core components of the cloud computing will be that compute, that is virtual machines are the containers, and then storage systems, networking, virtualization, and then middleware. Next one, features. Features, we have that four main features, that is on-demand self-services, broad network accesses, and the resource pooling, and then rapid scalability. The programming language supported will be the Python, Java, Node.js, PHP, and the C++. And then security, here we have the data encryption, identity and access management, and secure cloud infrastructure. Data encryption, that is protecting the data at the rest and it's a transit. And then identity and access management, here we have defined who can access and what they can access. Third one will be the secure cloud infrastructure. Here it is an data encryption and then computing resources. And then virtualization. Virtualization, it creates a multiple virtual system, efficient resource usages, and the backbone of the cloud computing. And then operating systems in the cloud will be the Linux based systems, Windows Server, and then container OS. The storage system will be that object storage, block storage, and then file storage systems. And then middleware, it connects the application and the services. It enables the communication. The example of the middleware will be the APIs and the runtime engines. The development tools will be the cloud IDE, and then version controls, that is Git. And then we have that assessment question: what is the cloud software environment and what are the types of cloud environments? The answer will be the cloud provides tools for app development in the cloud, and then types will be public, private, and the hybrid. Thank you.